I'm gonna go. Are you Mr. Big Black Boykin?
Just go.
You know Robin Big Black Boykin? All right, hey, you have a good day, bro. Hey, don't leave me hanging at least, bro, please. Please, bro. What's up, guys? I'm Poppy Dougla, and I'm back with another banger for you guys. We got massive burping in public, part 3. And you know it's a fire video because I'm standing on the pole. Just like your girl, she's all on my pole. Yeah, it is pretty hard to stand on this thing. I'm not gonna lie. Well, I should do like a front flip off it or something.
Hey, get away, all right?
Sir, calm down. I'm not gonna hit you because I came up and burped, but that's fucked up. You can't come and touch me, bro. Nah, dude, stop talking. All I did was came and burp, and I'll probably beat your ass, bro. So watch, step the fuck back. Imagine Dougla versus that old 70-year-old man. Bumblebee's packing. Poppy!
What up? No.
Oh shit. Yeah, I thought you were a Keemstar.
Oh, my bad, dude.
It's all good. Hey, Mexican Keemstar.
Fuck it, bro.
Hell yeah.
All right, have a good one.
You have a good day. You touched me in my dreams. You remember that?
No, I didn't.
Holy moly, bro.
Bro, your ass.
Bro, I had too much ass last night. Oh, can I have this? Thank you, sir. I don't know if I should drink the rest of this. Imagine if you just put some drugs in there, some roofies. Don't take drinks from strangers. What I eat last night? Oh man. Holy moly! Oh, what's happening? Oh, wee!
10 out of 10. Length? I could use a little more volume, but I'll give you a 9.9.
All of that's irrelevant, sir. Can I grab your man bun?
No. No, you can't grab my...
Sir!
No. Don't go touching strangers.
I wasn't gonna touch you, trust me. Hey! We gotta do Party Boy, where I run around in a G-string. Imagine that. Dougla running around with his cheeks out. I might have to... Oh! Excuse me, sir. I just want to ask you, you know, you got a beautiful head. Can I pet it?
Nope.
Really, sir? All right, man.
Take your YouTube shit somewhere else.
My YouTube shit? What are you talking about?
Whatever he's doing, don't do it.
Who the fuck is that?
Sir, welcome. Well, that was very artistic.
Thank you. Autistic is the right word you were looking for. So, one question. No, look, I don't know who this guy is.
Yeah.
You know Deji and KSI? Deji sent me here to get a free bag, and I just wanted to come pick it up right now.
I'm going to ask you to leave right now before I call security.
Oh yeah, definitely. I thought I was invited in here.
Yeah.
Do you know what time it is?
9:15.
Oh, I don't know what I ate. Fuck, that bird pulled me back, sir. Oh. Holy shit. Oh my god. I've been looking for the most beautiful like BBWs all over the strip, and I finally think I found you. Can I please get your number? Or can I get all your guys' numbers?
No.
Was it the burp?
Oh, yeah. What was that?
Fuck. I'm filming a video. I'm just doing burping in public. Was it a good burp though?
Yeah. Don't your ass is gonna die. Solid 9.
That's impressive.
Thank you so much, guys.
That's good.
I had nasty intercourse with a trans earlier today, and I think got me going, bro. Yeah. Fucked me up.
Good,
you guys have a good day, though.
You too. Good luck.
You have a good day, bro.
I'm a huge comic nerd.
He looks like a guy with comic book.
Spider-Man.
You have a nice mustache,
suit.
bro.
I have a spoon. Watch close. The thing you have to understand is it's not actually the spoon.
What the
it's
fuck?
your mind. In all actuality, there really is
Telekinesis?
no spoon.
What? Hey, can I? Oh! Imagine I put it in my ass.
Really?
You're the next Doctor Strange,
I
my man.
appreciate you, my man.
Hell
Thank you.
yeah.
Man, I got into magic for a very specific reason.
To get some pussy?
No, I got picked on my whole life.
Oh. Can I go to the bar mitzvah? Holy moly, sir. Excuse me, sir. I just had a genuine question, sir. Are you truly that small? You called me stupid. Beetlejuice will win in a boxing match against that guy. You know, whoever that guy is. 3-foot Harley guy versus Beetlejuice. Oh, that would have been a sick ass midget's name. What's up? Actually, do you want to go on a date? Leaving town. How about I say I take you back to my room?
Trip to the moon?
We get it on.
How about the dark side of the moon?
I could show you the dark side of my moon, baby girl. I don't know what I'm getting myself into. I guess that was a training. I don't know.
That's all you're gonna say, bro?
What do you want me to say? This is John Marston, Red Dead Redemption 2. He definitely gets a lot of pussy.
Just getting out the naked Brazilian midgets, man.
You're
You know what I
lying.
mean? Naked Brazilian midgets, you know?
If you remember the video I posted a couple weeks ago, we did buy an escort and it's a fucking scam. So don't listen to any of these guys dressed up like that, okay? You're not gonna get any pussy. Can I pet your head, sir? Oh, you want a 2v2 Clash Royale? Oh, yes. Excuse me, ladies. Why'd you get scared? I just want to know, do you want to come back to my bedroom with me tonight? I got 3 virgins back there. Just saying. My bad, I thought you were a smoke perp. When you ladies hit the jackpot, can you guys take me out to dinner? Is it cool if I could get one of your guys' numbers? No. Jeff Bezos? No way, nice to meet you, sir. You scared me.
Can you not? Yo, this is my dad right here. We troll him all the time. My supervisor, my friend.
You okay?
Yeah, I'm good. Say subscribe. Subscribe.
Sexo. Ah.
Whatever the hell he said. Next time, maybe I'll bring you a cerveza.
Okay, okay.
You guys really love this series on my channel, so you know, we're gonna keep it going.
Did you get permission to do this?
Sir, subscribe to Douglas
Did you get-
Skates.
did you
Yes,
get
of
permission?
course.
Yeah?
Yeah.
You're on PR?
Yes. What do you mean, bro?
Yeah.
I have a wireless mic and everything, of course.
Okay, I'm saying, did you cut?
Yes, sir.
You got your ID?
No, I don't.
Out of here.
All right, that's fucked up, sir. I'm sorry. I just wanted to do an intro. Sir, we're sorry. We're leaving.
Okay.
You guys heard it here first. All right, motherfuckers. Well, that was massive burping in public, part 3. So, you know, do the usual, guys. Make sure you drop a like, comment, subscribe. I don't ever ask for donations. I don't really give a fuck about money, guys. I just care that you guys watch my videos and you guys have fun while you're doing it. Besides the pussy shit, guys, all my social medias are gonna be down in the description. So is my brother's, which is the cameraman, so make sure you guys go follow that. Like I said, guys, that's the end of the fucking video. Douglas Skates, massive burping in public part 3. Finn. Chill!